interval training week to 2 weeks. We're gonna do a lot of HIIT. And today we're gonna start off with some back and some legs. And it's gonna be great. And we're gonna work the peach. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it and get started. So we're gonna do some cable squats. So you're gonna grab it at the front. So you're gonna be a little bit more willing to pull your chest forward, but we're gonna make sure we're grounding the shoulders and keeping the chest tall to put it all in the ground. Stepping back to put a little bit of tension, put all the weight in the heels, that chest is tall. Come up and squeeze these glutes. Every single exercise that we're doing today is going to be 20 reps, 4 rounds through. I will keep repeating that, but 20 reps, 4 rounds. Exercise number 1 is done. Okay, so up next we have a row. I have my weight. I'm gonna have my feet separated, shoulder width apart. If you need it a little bit wider, that's also an option. You're gonna have a slight bend in your knees to take it out of your lower body. Suck that belly button into your spine. You're gonna hinge your hips all the way back so your chest is parallel to that floor. And we're gonna put it all on our back. Here we go. Stretch it out. I don't think I breathed through that, so make sure that you're breathing. Back to legs. I'm going to use that same weight again. Hips and legs. Belt shoulder width apart, weight is in the heels. Again, we're going to hinge our hips all the way back, sucking our belly button to our spine. We're going to do some deadlifts. But it's going to be a little bit of a twist. We're going to have a little bit of a mini pulse at the bottom. So we're going to go all the way down. Once you're down, you can hit a little bit lower and come back up. So let's get started. All the weight is in my heels. My chest is staying tall. Sending those hips as far back as possible, lighting up those glutes and hamstrings. And make sure to just do a good floor stretch so everyone's get up and in there in that personal space. So just stretch it out for a minute. Okay, we're gonna work that back again. We're gonna do some flies. So again, today, keep reiterating it, butt, shoulders, or feet, shoulder width apart. Weight in the heels, suck that belly button in. You're gonna hinge at your hips, and we're gonna do some flies. One more leg exercise, and that's going to be your high intensity interval training, back and legs, 20 rounds, or 20 reps, 4 rounds. Excuse me, blonde moment. So stay tuned. Okay, the last one we have is overhead squats with a burpee. It's gonna be so much fun. So you're grabbing a ball if you wanna use a BOSU. If you wanna just do overheads with your hands straight in the air, you have that option. But again, shoulder width apart, you're gonna hit. Hands are straight all the way above your head, chest stays tall, you're going as low as you can, then you're bringing it down, hitting that burpee. If you want to add in that push-up, you have that option. And then if it's without the ball, it looks like this. Hands are straight over the head, taking it down and coming back. So, all of those back and legs, ending with a little bit of death because it's fun, right? So 4 rounds, 20 reps of each exercise. That is your back and leg workout for the day. Obviously, I'm trying to breathe, so make sure you're breathing. Like, subscribe. Any questions? Honestly, any questions. I'm an open book. Hit me up. Bye.